Hello, so in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Lazy Student Method Notes template. So it's quite simple to use. Here you can add your topic. Let's say it's the Industrial Revolution. Here you can add a subject. Here I just added the number, so you can change it, and to modify it you can just change the name, so you just select one of them. Then you add the created date and you just press the day that you created it on. Then the difficulty, let's say it was medium, and yeah, that's how it works. And here basically you can see what notes you have for each subject, so it's easier to access. Here, for example, we can see that we have the notes for subject 1. So yes. And then if you want to create a new subject, press this button over here. And you go inside and you press this, add database with notes of the subject, and you press filter over here and you filter the subject that you want. And if you want to create a new one, well, you just create a new one. And that would be it.